Hi guys, I'm in the attic and we do have two systems. One is here and one is here. They are both belong to the carrier. You can see right here and carrier over there. I'm gonna show you guys how to locate the filter so that you can change the filter for the unit. Those units, the carrier units, hybrid, they're running on gas and on electric as well. So this is the first unit and this is the second unit. So this is kind of the overlook about the unit. You can see made by carrier over there. So carrier here. And the filter is located right here. So you can see that like in the between of the two big box, there's a small vertical box. You can pull it like this, and then inside is a filter. You can see the airflow from the left to the right, and you can pull it down this one, and you can pull it, and this is actually the filter. It's quite big. I can measure it. I have a ruler here. It is 15.5 inch the width, and the length is 25.5, and then it's quite thick. It is 5.5 inch. So this is very big filter, and this is where you put the filter inside. You just need to make sure that the airflow is pointing left to the right. Go inside the unit right here, put it all the way down, and then plug in the cover. So this is the filter for the first unit, and now I'm walking to the second unit. So this is the second unit, and it also made by carrier. This is where the filter located right here. So the same, you're gonna pull it off, and the airflow is pointing this time from the right to the left, and you can just pull the filter. The other filter that I just show you. So this is where the filter located for the carrier AC unit that running on gas and electric. We have two units installed at the attic, and I just show you how to locate where the filter on those units and how you can change the filter as well. Thank you for the watching. Bye.